In this video, I'm gonna walk you through all the steps that you need to do to fix the internet. We're gonna work, me and you, together to get this problem solved. If you own Tracfone or Straight Talk or Total Wireless or Net10, anything related to a Tracfone company, it has to be on Verizon towers. As everybody knows, Tracfone, Net10, they bounce off Verizon and AT&T or T-Mobile, and Straight Talk as well. Total was the only one that only works to Verizon towers. So if you have any one of these carriers and you have internet problem in your cell phone, I'm gonna walk you through all the steps and hopefully you will be able to fix this issue. But make sure that you have Verizon. For non-Verizon towers, I'm gonna be making different videos on this channel, so make sure to subscribe to this channel in order not to miss any future videos. This is Variety Stick, and let's find out. Now this is not a quick video because I want to go through all the troubleshooting steps that you need to do, and normally there is no certain way we know this is the problem and we need to fix it. That's why I'm going to walk you through everything you guys need to know to fix the issue. And I have to explain to you, this method will work only if you have a Tracfone, Straight Talk, Net10, Total Wireless, bounce off Verizon towers. I want to make sure to make more videos for you in the future for the other towers. Now, first of all, the problem is we'll start that you have bars right there and you have no internet. Now, how you know you have internet? Your phone must show LTE, LTE Plus, or 5G if you have compatible 5G device. So in this case, my phone doesn't show, but if I go and make a phone call, my phone will work just fine. So then we know we have no problems on the billing, no problems with the phone, that the phone is reading the SIM card, the phone is compatible, etc. Now the first step I would do normally, just check the settings for the internet. And let me go ahead and check the data. Normally, if you go to this notification bar right here, you must see mobile data. If it's enabled, means the internet is enabled from the phone. If it's disabled, enable and wait a few seconds to see if the LTE or 5G will pop in your phone or not. Now, if it's enabled and we still have a problem, so we need to do more investigation. Now, if the mobile data is on in my phone and still have no internet, the first thing I will do, I will restart the phone. Turn the phone off completely and carry it back on and wait a few seconds or a minute and look again just to see if you have internet or not. Now, if you still have no internet after restarting the phone, means we have more to investigate to find out what's the problem. And also I will highly recommend to check your balance for the data, because in most of cases, if you have no balance of your gigabytes with your carrier, also you're not going to get internet. And how you do this? Simply send message. I will put this on the screen. Send text message to 611-611 and type usage or balance, any one of these words, and send it to this, and you must get reply with your usage. So the system should reply and give you how much gigabytes you have. Now, if you have gigabyte balance and you still have no internet coming to the phone, means we have to check more to find out what's the problem. Now, if I still have no internet, I will do the following. I will remove the SIM card from the phone, and make sure, if you don't know how to do this, please don't do this. Have someone who's professional to do this for you. Remove the SIM card from the phone and put it back. That might also help to refresh the network, and maybe the data will show in your phone, and then you are able to make phone calls. Now, if you don't know how to do this, don't do this, and watch with me the third step that we're gonna do together. And if that didn't work for you, then you can go ahead and try to remove the SIM and restart the phone and see if it's gonna work or not. Now, if none of the steps works for you, don't worry. We have a lot more to show you. Just watch this video. Now I'm gonna come to the final step, and this is the most important step, and I believe this is why a lot of phones doesn't pick up the internet, which is the internet settings or the access point or the APN, so whatever you want to call it, but I'm gonna walk you through all these important steps right now. Now with Tracfone, all brands, both on Verizon, there are two different APN settings. You must try one of those to see which one is going to work for you. Now rather you have a bring your own device or you have a branded device from the company, it should be the same steps. Now after you do everything we're going to do in this video, and if it doesn't work, it probably will be something not compatible with your device, especially for people bring their phone from a different company to Total Wireless or Tracfone brands. They might have this issue, but you're not gonna lose anything if you just try what I'm gonna tell you. Now go to the phone settings and then go to connection, and these steps should apply with any Android phones. That doesn't apply for iPhone, by the way. Now you need to go to mobile network, and right away you're gonna see access point name. You need to check the access point name. Now if you see, let me just trying to zoom in, VZW internet, and this does not give you any internet access, mean you have to change the APN settings. Let's go ahead and change this APN settings, and I will put both APN settings on the screen for you guys. You must try one of the two, and this is one of them. VZW internet, one of the APN settings that you need to try, and make sure to do it correctly. Now here's what I did actually. I just tap on APN settings and the phone right away give me the option to adjust the APN settings. Now let me go ahead and delete this APN settings. It doesn't look it's working. Now you need to type this following APN settings. Also go ahead, I'll just make it capital. It's going to be this. I'm going to show you this also on the screen, so you guys make sure to type and put dot between these two words, tracfone.vzwentp. After this you have to hit OK. Now if you originally have this code, you need to check the other APN settings, because some phones, especially with the Tracfone, I realized after updating some phones to Android 12, this code doesn't work, which is the other code will work. So go ahead and hit OK, and after this go to the three dots and hit save. You must save this. Now it's gonna look like this, saved. Now we need to wait a few seconds, and we're gonna look back to the bars next to it. We're gonna see that you have LTE plus, means the internet kick off right now to the phone, and you should be able to browse and send picture messages, etc. You should have no issues or whatsoever. Now if none of the stuff I try in this video didn't work for you, I would highly recommend to call your carrier on the customer service and find out why it's not working, and check the compatibility of your device, because some phones probably not compatible with the network and give you some problems. But if you have a branded phone and if you do these steps, you should be able to use your phone just fine with no issues or whatsoever. And I know that was a long video, but I want to make sure to walk you through everything you guys need to know to fix that internet issue in your Tracfone brands. And I wish I helped you. If I did help you, please guys to make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so I hope I can get this number soon. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll see you in the next video.